Welcome back to Zazzle Pop. Today we are going to be making tacos and corn. So today we have a guest, my sister Isabel.
I just like saw.
Say hello, Isabel.
Hello.
So first we are going to be opening our can of corn.
I hope I show.
So what you'll be needing is a can opener, a thing to mix your corn, some ground beef, some canola oil cooking spray, a spoon to mix your corn, and then this is for like doing your ground beef. You'll need a can opener, some lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, a cheese grater, taco seasoning, and taco shells. So first, let's open our corn. And you'll also be needing 2 pots.
Every birthday. My birthday. So we holiday you, Papa. Mama, every day to come with. Oh yes, yeah, call it. Yeah, call it. Ooh.
Now we are going to be opening our ground beef and put it on the oven.
Also, chicken. I
It's a little cooked. We're gonna put this on, which is just taco seasoning, Smart Fiesta. We've got our lettuce already cut up, so we're just gonna open it. And we're gonna cut up our tomato. Isabel's a little cuckoo. And while Isabel's opening that, I'm going to be cutting the tomato.
Oh, such a crispy. Chicken no. Chicken no ice. That's awesome.
We are going to shred some cheese. Corn is almost done, and the meat is still cooking. We're gonna put things that can go in the garbage in the garbage.
In the garbage. Papa, we see Papa. We see Papa. Our personal liking is so good. It's simple. It's so easy.
We're gonna get the plates out and some bowls.
Okay.
Oh, I need to put the salt and pepper on the corn. Got some seasonings here if they want to put them on.
Final product.
And it looks delicious.
Like
I
pie
hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. So we'll see you all next time.
chicken.
Bye.